good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today, as you can see, I got some accessories from y'all. Now I got to give a big shout out to Nomad. They sell some really nice, really high class accessories for your cellular devices and things of that nature. They sent me over some accessories for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I definitely got that on deck. Got the big silver 12 Pro Max right here. We're gonna get into some accessories. Actually, what they sent me out was 2 cases, and they're the same case, different colors, and actually a lightning cable. The lightning cable that you need now because you're trying to do that fast charge. So the Type C to lightning cable, and we're gonna check that out. So first of all, we're just gonna go in order with the cases first. And as you can see, it's the Nomad Rugged case. Nomad has a really nice packaging. It's a really classy company, guys. They sell some really good leather rugged cases. They're really dope. But here it is. This is the packaging. Nice professional packaging. Nomad branding. As you can see, this is going to be like a brown colorway. Nomad. Let's see what it say on the back. And as you can see, day 1 and day 100. It does not change up. This is a vegetable tan leather from Chicago, made in the United States. Develops a rugged patina over time. Internal bumper for 10-foot drop protection. So this is really dope, guys. Like I said, this is like the brown colorway. And here it is right here. We got the rustic brown. So we're going to go ahead and unpackage this thing. I believe it's like a slide out type deal. That's what it looks to be. Okay, so we open it. Pull it open. Very nice packaging, guys. That case is dope, but I just want to check the packaging out. We are Nomad. They talk about the leather here. Horween leather. A patina developed as the leather matures over time. You can pause it and check it out. Go on their website and check it out, guys. This is some really quality stuff, and as you can see, really quality branding. You go check Nomad out on Instagram at Nomad. They have a lot of dope pictures and dope accessories. But we're gonna move this packaging to the side, guys, and we're just gonna go ahead and get into this case. As you can see, this is a real leather case, guys. Definitely gonna be dropping some links in the description. Let me just take a little smell. You could actually, this smells like leather, guys. I mean, like a quality leather coat. This is some real nice leather right here on the back. It's a nice rustic brown, as you see, and it develops that natural patina. As you can see, from day 1 to day 100, it just ages like fine wine, guys. And it's a very professional look, very classy look, very business class type look. That's what I would call it. As you can see on the sides, now where you're gonna be grabbing the phone at, we don't have that. The leather is just for the back. The side is like a thicker type TPU. Got a nice button. It's all brown and matching. As you can see, you got the volume up and down, and you got the cutout for your mute button. You got all cutouts on the deck on bottom. And as you can see, you got a nice suede liner inside to protect your device. Also, as you can see, these ridges inside of the device, this is drop protection, guys. So this is a very classy, expensive, I'm not gonna say it's expensive, but I mean, this is a high quality leather case, and it's also a protective case at the same time. Let's drop it on. When I say expensive, it looks very expensive. It's not as expensive as you would think it is, but it's a very quality product here, guys. As you can see, it fits on your iPhone very nice. Looks very nice on a device, and adds like just a very nice leather, just professional business class, I call type look. As you can see, we got nice raised up around the camera system. You're gonna want that raised up, just a little raised up lip. You got a little something there going on. It's not the biggest raised up lip in the world, but you do have a raised up lip. Nice cutouts, nice big cutouts for the bottom. As you can see, nice feel in hand, guys. This leather, this is very nice, guys. Something that's going to age nice over time and have that real vintage type look. That's what, that's what's in now. Very dope case, guys. So we got into this one, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go to the next case, guys. Let me take this off. I'm gonna take this off, and I'm go ahead and get into the next case. I'm putting the phone over there. So we're putting the case over there. But we got the same case, but this color is called natural leather. So this is day 100 of how it'll look. Just a age vintage look with like a lot of leather products. And again, this is that Horween leather. So this is from Nomad, guys. Real classy stuff here. You know, you could be a businessman, cowboy. You know, you just be a person that loves leather and different materials. This is very quality material. Now me, I like this natural leather. I like this look. Specifically because I like the trim. It's white. So it goes with my iPhone. Because I got the silver iPhone with the white back or whatever. And this natural leather look is dope. And you can see the creases. It's like it just came, like they just took, like they just killed the cow. I'm sorry if that was, if that hurt your feelings, but that's what it looked like. Like they just killed the cow, like it just came from out the cow. Little smell test. Yeah, we definitely, we got some leather going on, guys. This is very nice. I'm gonna drop the phone in here. Now this is gonna be getting some play right here. You can't lie. This white with the white trim, natural leather back, very upper echelon, guys. That's what we would call it. Very upper echelon. I really like this look. Like I said, a little raised up lip in the front, raised up around the camera, white trim, genuine natural leather, guys. I like that. So that's it for the cases. Now we get to something that's a big deal on all iPhones: lightning cables. But this is the USB-C to lightning cable, and it's made with Kevlar. I done had a lot of these, guys. Well, I ain't gonna say I had a lot of them, but I done had a few of these for Type-C and different devices, things of that nature. Really dope, and they last for a long time, and they are just super built. So it's built with Kevlar, rugged construction, robust in Kevlar. I'm reading other languages, things of that nature. It supports the fast charge, all of that, guys. 5-year guarantee. So I did have a problem with one of these cables one time, and I emailed Nomad. I had bought the cable with my own money, and they sent me a cable right out. No problems, guys. So definitely, you can support them. They're gonna get you this stuff lasts. That's very rare that had happened to me with one of these cables. But as soon as I emailed them, they didn't even ask for the cable back or nothing. They just sent me a cable out. Rugged Kevlar core is a 20 AWG for fast charging. Thick RF shield for fast sync, so you can transfer data and things like that with this cable. Also, thick moisture barrier, so water won't affect it. Rugged Kevlar outer brand. So it's rugged construction, fast charge. Yeah. So just another nice packaging deal from Nomad. As you can see, all their products are packaged very nice, guys. As you can see, you open it up, designed with pride. They take a lot of these products from Nomad, these accessories. They really do a great job with them. And as you can see, with this Type-C to lightning cable, it is you can see it's super nicely braided. And I mean, it's not a cheap braid. It's not nothing that's going to come apart. And I can vouch for that because I've had these cables, and I like this tie that they put on the cable, and it won't come off. It's built onto the cable, guys. This tie, very nice, very rugged construction. This is something you should buy. If you done spent $1,200, look, little Nomad branding, very nice touch, guys. If you done spent $1,000 on the phone, it should be no reason that you don't go out and spend money on quality accessories. We know what Apple cables are about, guys. Don't waste your time. Don't set yourself up. Keep running around with your Apple cable. You know it's gonna fail on you. Go ahead, spend that money. Get you something nice like this that you know is gonna last you, and that you know is gonna give you the proper fast charge, proper good transfer speeds when you hook your phone to your laptop, your MacBook, or whatever. But yeah, Nomad, man, very dope accessories, man. It's your man BG Tech Life. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is my new case from Nomad, the natural leather with the white trim, looking very dope. You can follow me on Twitter, BG_Tech Life. You can follow me on Instagram, BG_Tech Life. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.